Hello everyone, I am Akansha Pinzarkar from Sri Shivaji College, Akola, Maharashtra. Here I will go to throw the light on the topic which is very important and necessity of these days, that is impact of COVID-19 on education. Let us move towards it. These are the contents on which I will go to focus. Firstly, what is this COVID-19? The COVID-19 is a virus that originated from the Wuhan in the China. This coronavirus is a family of the virus that cause severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is get transmitted via respiratory droplet of the infected person. The government of India confirmed India's first case of the coronavirus disease on 30 January 2020 in a state of the Kerala when a university student from Wuhan traveled back to the state. As a number of the confirmed COVID-19 positive cases close 500, PM Modi on 19 March asked all the citizens to observe the Janta curfew on Sunday 22nd March. Modi stated the Janta curfew is just a beginning of the long battle against the COVID-19. On the same day, from the midnight, he announced a lockdown of a 21 day, which was the first phase of the lockdown. As the COVID-19 patient was increasing day by day, it resulted in a phase second and a phase third. Ultimately, this lockdown resulted in a closing of school, colleges and universities as the social distancing was only the solution to stop the spread of this virus. Now, how this lockdown impact on education? The lockdown changes the education system as COVID-19 has forced university, schools, colleges across the India and the world indeed to suspend the physical classroom and shift to the online classes. To combat against the coronavirus outbreak, the University Grant Commission asked students and a teacher to take the online initiative. The online education is conducted in a two ways. The first is through the use of the recorded classes, which when open out to the public are referred as massive open online courses. The second one is via the live online classes conducted as an webinars or a Zoom session. The basic requirement for these is an high speed internet, education delivering platform or learning management system besides a stable IT infrastructure and a faculty member who are comfortable teaching online. There are many platforms created to enable online education in India, which are now free, so that students are sitting at home can make full use of the learning by this material. This was how lockdown changed the education system, that it changed completely whole education system towards the e-learning. Now the comparison of the online learning and a traditional learning. Many feel that online education is easy, but it is not easy as speaking into the microphone at one end and connecting a laptop or a phone and listening the other. There are other challenges with this form of the education which are faced at the both end of the spectrum, that is student as well as faculty. Now, what are the advantages of this online learning? First is in flexibility. It is a major benefit of the online education that students who may not have ability to participate in a traditional classes can often take advantages of the online classes. Second is in convenience. Closely related to flexibility is the convenience of the online course. Students sometimes simply prefer completing their education from the comfort of home. This limit need to travel, which leads to the time and the cost saving. And third one is unlimited social interaction. Beside all these advantages, self-disciplined student can have benefit from flexibility and the convenience of the online class. But the lack of formal structure can be pitfall for an undisciplined or unmotivated student. That is, such student can fall behind on assignment, fails to study adequately by the test deadline, and ultimately suffer because of lack of initiative in engaging instructor via email or phone. Now, moving towards the traditional learning. According to me, education is not about the classes. It is about interaction, broadening of ideas, free flowing open discussion, debates, and mentoring of each student. And also, we cannot engage online in the same manner as we do in the class via debates and discussion, as some polarizing topic require nuanced perspective. This lose their flavor when done online. The greatest advantage of face to face teaching is an eye contact, which is lost in the online learning. By this current situation, online learning is best. However, the student who lack necessarily online learning skill can struggle with some of the drawback of this learning platform, that is an online learning platform, as knowledge has a beginning but no end. As we are the students, now whole time is our, we should try to develop our skills and knowledge by taking advantage of this lockdown. Stay home, be safe, do the 5, help to stop the coronavirus, and thank you and never stop learning at all.